So this is the pole. It's really suspicious. It's today is actually April 6th, 2024, and this pole just appeared a few days ago, and in the afternoon. And one day, I think it was Wednesday, so they appeared, April 4th, no 3rd, and we actually I have no idea what it is. Actually, it says, this guy says telecommunications, the channel commercial corporation challenger series. So this is the manufacturer of this housing, and it's a broadband, Temecula, California, USA. And but it's really wiggly. I don't know who installed this. And also we didn't, I don't think we have the cable underneath here, so it could be standalone device or anything. And it doesn't say the owner of this stuff, and it's only have the warning. So I called the dial 811 and asked if there is any cable underneath this, and the operator checked it, and I don't know for the cable existence, but she didn't see any active tickets, work tickets, I guess. So the 811 doesn't know what it is, and I contacted the county. My house is in the not inside the city, so that I have to go to county, but the county planning office, and then I submitted unauthorized object or something, and I hope the county gonna inspect this, but at this moment I have no idea what it is. And I asked my neighbors if someone asked for a new like internet service or anything, but I haven't heard anything back. So it's really suspicious. I hope, but it's weird. It's really wiggly. I have no idea what's inside. Anyways, I hope the county gonna do the inspection and give me a report or remove this. So there is a little bit of a development in this story. Actually, we contacted to the county. First, I mistakenly contacted the county permit and development of the office, but since this guy is standing outside of our property, they said I have to contact to the public works department, and they actually organized some inspection, and the cable company, personnel from the cable company actually came today. Unfortunately, I was not here, but that cable company, they could he had the key to unlock this guy, and open the cover. And fortunately my wife was here, so she took a picture of this, and it looks like this. So I suspect the big blue block is a battery. So as I said, I don't think there is any underground cable here. The only possibility is there might be some water line underneath, but there's no electric line or the signal line underneath this spot. So this device looks like it's designed to operate without any external the power, so it has tons of batteries, and it looks really suspicious. It may be installed to tap our internet communications, or someone else, my neighbor's internet communication, something. It's really the suspicious still. So I hope the county office gonna identify the owner of this, and also the inspect the purpose of this device. Okay, it's the same day, April 9th, 2024, and it's about 8 p.m. and we actually took a walk. I took my puppy for a walk, and I found that the pole is removed by someone, and I suspect that the person who installed this noticed that we suspected the object and the county is inspecting. I think the person who installed it removed it, and it was just a hole. There's no cable connected, I believe, and but that device had the tons of batteries, and I suspect it could be some tapping device for the internet or something using cell phones. That's my guess, but there's no clue now, and there's no way. I don't think they're gonna come back later. I don't expect that. I think the person who did it won't install that here. But this is really bad ending of this story. We lost entire clue of that. The all hope, one hope is that the county knows something, and or county might have removed it today. I don't know. But anyways, at this moment, it's good that the object was removed, but it's really bad that what the purpose of that device and who installed that. That's really bad, and that makes me really nervous about this situation. But anyways, this is the end of the story, I think, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.